Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on low-end PCs. First, open the in-game settings menu and navigate to the Display tab. Here, you should immediately lower your screen resolution to something like 1280 by 720 pixels, or even 1024 by 768. Next, set the overall graphics quality preset to lowest to establish a baseline. Finally, turn off VSync to potentially gain a few extra frames per second. Now, let's dive deeper into individual graphics settings. Crucially, reduce your render resolution to 0.6 or 0.8. This renders the game at a lower internal resolution, then upscales it. Set shadow quality to lowest or completely off, as shadows consume significant resources. Also, lower visual effects and environment detail to their lowest settings. Finally, disable bloom and motion blur for a cleaner look and improved frame rates. Now, let's bring your designs to life with interactive prototyping. You can build realistic simulations of user experiences, allowing you to visualize how users will interact with your product. Defining clear user flows ensures a logical progression through your design. Testing these prototypes with actual users provides invaluable feedback, helping you refine and improve your designs before development. For even better performance, consider these advanced tips. Installing Genshin Impact on a solid-state drive, or SSD, will drastically reduce loading screens and texture pop-in. You can also adjust your Windows virtual memory settings, increasing the page file size to assist with memory management. Regularly monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures to avoid thermal throttling, which can severely impact frame rates. Finally, keep your PC clean. Dust buildup can hinder cooling and reduce performance over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.